English speaking practice. ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಕರೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗು.
Take me there. Take me there.
ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಲು ಸಿದ್ಧರಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Are you ready to go there? Are you ready to go there?
ಬೇಗ ತಯಾರಾಗು.
Get ready soon. Get ready soon.
ನನಗೆ ಸಮಯವಿಲ್ಲ.
I don't have time. I don't have time.
ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅವನನ್ನು ಗೊತ್ತಾ?
Do you know him? Do you know him?
ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಊರಿನವರು?
Which city are you from? Which city are you from? Don't turn off your computer. Don't turn off your computer.
ಇದು ನನಗೆಯಾ?
Is it for me? Is it for me?
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನರಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
How many people are there? How many people are there?
ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಫೋನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಇಡಬೇಡಿ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಫೋನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ.
Please, don't hang up the phone. Please, don't hang up the phone.
ನನಗೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಸಹಾಯ ಬೇಕು. I need your help. I need your help. ನೀವು ಏನು ಹುಡುಕುತ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಿ?
What are you looking for? What are you looking for?
ನೀವು ಯಾವ ರಾಜ್ಯದವರು?
Which state are you from? Which state are you from?
ಇದು ಯಾರ ನಂಬರ್?
Whose number is this? Whose number is this?
ಮುಗ್ಧರಾಗಬೇಡಿ.
Don't be innocent. Don't be innocent.
ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ.
It was not your fault. It was not your fault.
ನನಗೆ ತೋರಿಸು.
Show me. Show me.
ನೋಡಿ, ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನೋ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ.
Look, I am telling you something. Look, I am telling you something.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಳಿ ಅವನ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆಯೇ?
Do you have his number? Do you have his number?
ನೀನು ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ?
What did you tell her? What did you tell her?
ನೀನು ಅಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀಯಾ?
Are you there? Are you there?
ಈಗ ಯಾರ ಸರದಿ?
Whose turn is it now? Whose turn is it now?
ನಾನು ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಯೋಚಿಸ್ತೇನೆ.
I will think about it. I will think about it.
ಇದು ನನ್ನ ಕೈಗಡಿಯಾರ. ಇದು ನನ್ನ ವಾಚ್.
This is my watch. This is my watch.
ನಿನ್ನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನನಗೆ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಇದೆ.
I am proud of you. I am proud of you.
ದೆಹಲಿಯ ಹವಾಮಾನ ಹೇಗಿದೆ?
How is the weather in Delhi? How is the weather in Delhi?
ಅವನು ನನ್ನ ಮುಂದೆ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದ.
He was standing in front of me. He was standing in front of me.
ನಿನ್ನ ಕೈ ತೊಳೆದುಕೋ.
Wash your hands. Wash your hands.
ನಾನು ಅವಳ ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಯಬಹುದೇ? ಅಥವಾ ಅವಳ ಹೆಸರೇನು?
May I know her name? May I know her name?
ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮದಲ್ಲ.
This is not your. This is not your.
ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು.
I know. I know.
ನಾನು ಹೆದರಿದ್ದೆ. ನಾನು ಭಯಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ.
I was scared. I was scared.
ಅವನು ನಿನಗಾಗಿ ಕಾಯುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ.
He is waiting for you. He is waiting for you.
ಯಾರ ಬಳಿ ಹಣವಿದೆ?
Who has the money? Who has the money?
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಮಾತನಾಡಿ.
Talk to your friends. Talk to your friends.
ನನ್ನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಚಿಂತಿಸಿ.
Think about me. Think about me.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಳಿಯಬೇಡ.
Don't get off here. Don't get off here.
ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ದೂರ ಹೋಗು.
Go away from here. Go away from here.
ನೀವು ಅವನನ್ನು ಗುರುತಿಸುತ್ತೀರಾ?
Do you recognize him? Do you recognize him?
ನೀವು ಯಾವಾಗ ಹಿಂತಿರುಗುತ್ತೀರಿ?
When are you coming back? When are you coming back?
ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಲು ಬಯಸುತ್ತೀರಾ?
Would you like to work here? Would you like to work here?
ಅವನು ನನ್ನ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸಿಸ್ತಾನೆ.
He lives next to me. He lives next to me.
ನಾನು ನಿನ್ಗಿಂತ ಎತ್ತರವಾಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ.
I am taller than you. I am taller than you.
ನೀವು ಮನೆಯನ್ನು ಸ್ವಚ್ಛಗೊಳಿಸಬೇಕು.
You have to clean the house. You have to clean the house.
ಭಯಪಡಬೇಡ.
Don't be scared. Don't be scared.
ನಾನು ಏನನ್ನೂ ಮಾಡುವುದಿಲ್ಲ.
I will not do nothing. I will not do nothing.
ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಬೇಕಾ?
Do you want anything else? Do you want anything else?
ನೀವು ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Did you say something? Did you say something?
ನಾನು ಜನವರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜನಿಸಿದೆ. ನಾನು ಜನವರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದೆ.
I was born in January. I was born in January.
ಅವಳು ನನ್ನ ಮುಂದೆ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ.
She's standing in front of me. She's standing in front of me.
ಅವನು ನನ್ನ ಮುಂದೆ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಅವನು ನನ್ನ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದಾನೆ.
He is standing next to me. He is standing next to me.
ಹತ್ತಿರದಿಂದ ನೋಡೋಣ.
Let me take a closer look. Let me take a closer look.
ಈ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಹಳೆಯದು.
This table is old. This table is old.
ನಿನ್ನ ಶೂಗಳನ್ನು ತೆಗೆ. ನಿನ್ನ ಶೂಗಳನ್ನು ಬಿಚ್ಚು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೂ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ.
There was nothing. There was nothing.